So I have entered on EA. CPR starting to push to the downside. Good morning, all. A little bit of a different location today. We are in St. Lucia. So I'm bringing you guys a vlog right now in St. Lucia, and let me just show you the view from our back little area here. Say what's up, Jules. Look at this. I'll show you guys the view obviously later on, but this is just phenomenal. And we smashed a trade while we were here on GBPCAD. I'll pop that up right now and I'll break that down later. But yeah, we're here for 7 days. So I'll bring you along with me throughout it. Show you guys the buffet, show you guys the food, and of course be on the beach. And yeah, just want to say, smash that like button, subscribe if you're new. Let's get this video going. We're heading down to the water now, so I'll bring you guys with me to the beach. You guys will lose it over this beach view. It's just stunning. Look at this. It's super windy right now, so I hope you guys can hear me. If not, this will just be a bunch of clips put together, but we're just hanging out on the beach now, enjoying this wonderful view. Stunning, right? So we'll just continue to lay here for the next couple hours and just enjoy it, and then see where the day takes us. But overall, absolutely loving St. Lucia before. Let me know in the comments where you guys have been, and maybe we'll check it out next, but absolutely loving it. The weather compared to Canada is just insane. My goal is to come back to Canada looking like a completely different race. So I literally want to just tan like no other and come back as Enrique instead of Mac. Alright guys, I'm going to give a little room tour right now. So let me just swing this around. So there we are over there. The bedroom over here, TV to the left, little couch action over here. And then if you just walk through, you got Jules over here and you got a nice little private pool area. Very, very nice. Very nice. Hopefully I got some sun for you guys. I'll give you guys an update as the vlog goes on the race change. So we'll see if I'm still white by the end of this video. The goal is to not be. Hey everyone, I just wanted to take a second of your time just to show you the RM Trading Mentorship. I got a question. If you're someone who's maybe struggling, you're not where you want to be, definitely check out the RM Trading Mentorship. I mean, the Discord's amazing, just showing you a little bit inside now, the weekly outlooks, daily breakdowns, all that good stuff. You're just surrounded by amazing people. It's truly such a family vibe, and you have support from myself and other funded traders 7 days a week. So it's pretty damn awesome. And then for the course, you get a bunch of course videos that show our strategy, and then you get the video case studies that kind of tie it all together. So overall, over 130 videos. I hope to see you in there. I'd say the hardest part about being on vacation right now is honestly disconnecting from work. It's been a struggle. You know, Julia's been giving me crap a couple times for being on my phone, but all I've been doing is looking at the markets, looking at the charts, etc., looking at the trade I was in on GBPCAD. But yeah, I just love it so much, and it's tough to disconnect, but it's important. It's very important to disconnect from the markets when you are on vacation and actually take time to recharge, reflect, and enjoy. You know, May, like I talked about, didn't start out too hot for me, but we finished nice. And I'm grateful for the lessons that I learned through the slow period, because now I'm going to know what to do even more when I'm in that situation again. Just realizing that the highs can only happen if there's lows as well. And when you've had high, there's going to be that, you know, that higher low moment before you go make a new higher high. So that's kind of what I've been reflecting on and enjoying. And you just can't beat this weather. It's literally perfect out. And yeah, I just am such a happier individual when I am in the sun, when it's warm out. It's like night and day to how I feel when I'm in Canada, especially during the winter and fall. You Canadians know exactly what I'm talking about. But as for the rest of the day, me and Jules are going to go get some food. And yeah, we'll just see where the vlog goes. I'm not going to vlog every single day. I'm only going to vlog certain parts because I want to enjoy myself, right? So we'll see where the next clip is. And if you are enjoying the vlog so far, please drop a like and comment for your boy. And of course, hit that subscribe button. Got a nice little omelet here, some eggs, oh, a little green juice. The food here overall is fire, I'm not even gonna lie. Guys, look at this absolute wonderful view. Of course I'm talking about Julia, but wow. Absolutely wow. I'm not sure how tan I look on this, but your boy's a different race now. That's it. Just imagining me running into the water nude. Imagine.
That's a sight I'd like to see.
Well guys, mission accomplished. I am absolutely cooked. I'm so tanned. Definitely a new race leaving here, and it's pretty damn cool. This trip was phenomenal, and although I didn't vlog as much as I wanted to, in a sense, it was perfect for me because I just relaxed and I did what this whole vacation was supposed to do, which was recharge. I simply enjoyed time with Julia, relaxed on the beach, and my day was pretty much the same each day. So for me to vlog every single day, it would have been super boring. So I literally, what you saw, besides going to the gym and besides the meals, is what I did literally every single day. And it was amazing. I sat by the beach, I swam, I watched Netflix, I watched some sporting events. We did a little bit of nightlife that I will throw in there as well. And it was just an unbelievable time. One thing I will say though, is towards the end of the trip, mainly today, the last day, I am missing trading so much. I am missing the routine and I'm missing working. I'm a workaholic in the sense I love what I do. So my fun is working, but I needed this. We needed this. And it was an amazing, amazing time. So I have so many more ideas with how to make videos better, some amazing Instagram content coming. And I honestly think this break is exactly what I needed. I'm moving soon to a brand new place that I can't wait to show you. And the ideas are just going to be endless and the content is just only going to get better and better. So if nothing exciting, then I'll finish the vlog up back at home. Well, everyone, we are back and it feels so good. Today was the first day in a week that I'm back. I'm on the Discord with the group, breaking down trades. You know how we do it. But I thought this would be a perfect time right now to break down the trade portion of the video. I'm going to show you the beautiful trade that I took on EA that ended up hitting me at break even. And then I'm going to show you the trade on GBPCAD that hit a beautiful take profit that I showed earlier on in the video. I have been working on an hourly strategy that's like a hybrid between day trading and swing trading that I have been absolutely loving. You're going to see a little bit of it with the GBPCAD trade that I break down, but a couple of our members have been using the hourly strategy and it's just been unbelievable. Andre, shout out Andre again. You're just crushing it, man. Made 8% this week with the hourly strategy. And yeah, I can't wait to bring this to the community. I won't be sharing it on YouTube. This is something I will keep to the community. So if you are interested in how we trade and you want to join our growing family, make sure you do. Check out the link in the description. You can check out the website, etc., etc. But I'm going to be keeping some stuff safe just for the community. So hope you understand. I still will do some trade breakdowns, obviously, in my YouTube videos. They won't be as in-depth as what's in the mentorship, which I think is completely fair if you ask me. So without further ado, let's jump onto the charts. All right, guys, so I have entered on EA. My limit got tagged right here at 950 at this retracement level. I am aware that price could come into this imbalance, resting below this low. I just wanted to have my entry below this liquidity pool off of my 70 fib settings. So we'll see what happens. It did come down pretty aggressive here, but if we go look across the board, AU, Aussie pairs just had some temporary strength there. So what I'm hoping for is that was short-lived and we are going to see, I'm just going to go over here. We're going to see our pair drop, sorry, rip up here. So first liquidity pool target will be up here. And we'll kind of just let it do its thing. We're coming in this demand zone, running these lows where people would have their stop losses, and if we can rip to the take profit for 2.35%, then that would be ideal. And if we're wrong, we're wrong. It is what it is. We're just sticking to the plan and let the market do its thing. As for GBPCAD, it was a sniper entry at first, but hopefully after sweeping this high, we can push to the downside. We have this order block right here, resting above. So yeah, we'll see what happens on these trades. Don't expect anything, and we'll kind of let them do its thing. All right, just a little update on GBPCAD. You can see we are starting to push to the downside. Hopefully that continues. Hopefully this 4-hour closes like it's supposed to, or I want it to. That would be ideal. Yeah, so that's GBPCAD. Update on EA. You can see we are pushing to the upside nicely. Just have to break above this area, then it's pretty much smooth sailing in my opinion. But nice rejection regardless. Again, 30 minutes till this close. Hopefully we can push above these highs over here. We have a ton of buy side above these areas as well. So yeah, just gonna kind of let this thing do what it needs to do, and I'll keep you guys posted along the way on this trade. Here we are breaking down the beautiful trade that I took on GBPCAD here. I just wanted to show it a little bit more in depth and the result of the trade, how it worked, etc. just here on FX Replay. So I'm going to go into a little bit more detail than you saw in the live trading video. But we had this big supply zone up here, like I was talking about earlier, and we had cleared all this buy side liquidity that was resting above these highs. If I just draw this out like so. So we're in a weekly area that I'm expecting a retracement from. So then I'm going to jump down to the lower time frames and see, okay, what are we looking at? You guys know I like to use the daily time frame, the 4 hour, the 1 hour. I like to use the top down analysis. It's how I dictate my bias for the high time frame, and then I use the lower time frames for entries. So I like to swing. I'm also playing with a hybrid approach where I can use the hourly, the 4 hour, but we also have day traders, and we use this exact same approach all the way down. So here on the daily, you can see we had a nice rejection candle within this order block, okay? Then from there, I just simply jump down to lower time frame, the 4 hour, and see, okay, what am I looking at? Well, we have this area of supply right here that created this shift to the downside, right? We also have this imbalance down here, and imbalances like to act as like a magnet for price, right? So I want to see the market come down here. So we're in a premium. This is a perfect place to look for shorts. And we also have this high right here that is going to be used as liquidity. Anyways, that was my analysis and what I wanted. So from here, as you guys saw earlier in the live video, I set a pending limit over here at 1.74300. So I'm just going to go and put that there right now. And you can see we are buzzing this over. And then my stop loss was just above this high right here. At 1.74530. So you'll probably notice I'm using FX Replay right now. This is hands down the best back testing software there is, because you're able to execute trades as if they're live. Any bit of price action, you can go back to 2016. It doesn't matter. Use the M1, doesn't matter. Hands down the best back testing software. That's why I like to break these videos down on here for you all and just show you how useful it is, right? So you can see this was the limit that I was personally looking at, but my target was going to be this low here, which is in fact this imbalance, right? Because I know the market is most likely going to go down to this region. So I'm just going to go and set a pending limit right here. So all I have to do is click here, and then I'm going to go to place order over here. I'm going to do a sell limit like so, and then we will kind of see what happens here as we let price play out. Okay, so you can see we do get tagged into this trade, as you guys saw earlier in the video, but what you didn't see is the fact this thing came back and tapped me at break even overnight. Okay, so this thing took me out at break even. Now in the morning when I looked at this, it started to break down a little bit more, and I ended up market executing again on my way to the airport because I still believed in the trade, and I started to see all this liquidity that was building up. So I still believed in the trade, and I wanted to still execute on the trade because I still thought it was valid. So I ended up market executing while I was in the airport, and this thing took a bit to play out. I'm not going to lie. This thing took, I think from when I entered, it took like a day or two, maybe max, to take profit. But then it just absolutely melted to take profit and ended up hitting overnight, which was absolutely beautiful. I popped that up. I took this on 3 or 4 challenge accounts. So this was beautiful. And yeah, just great stuff. I'm super pumped with this strategy that we are playing within because it allows us to have that kind of hybrid approach where we have the swings with the 4 hour, but then if we want, trades that are going to take a day to 2 to play out, and you have a little bit more room for error with the stop loss, and it's easier to manage multiple pairs than we're using the hourly, but we still have the day trading approach that a lot of people are using in the group where they're using the 5 minute for entries. I don't suggest anything lower than the 5 minute. I mean, you can for sure, but the 5 minute and the 3 minute, in my opinion, are kind of the lowest you want to go. But the hourly and the 4 hour has just provided so many opportunities for us. And yeah, it's just beautiful, beautiful stuff here. So I just wanted to break this down. If you're interested in using FX Replay, make sure you use my code for 15% off. You can try it out. And if you don't like it after a week, you can cancel it for free. So you might as well take that chance and check it out. Because it is the best. EA ended up taking me out at break even as well. You guys saw my entry. I had my entry somewhere over here. Stop loss was just at these lows and I was targeting up here at these highs. So I ended up getting taken out for break even over in this region here. And then it ended up rallying up again, came back again, and then rallied up, and now it's coming down again. So EA honestly kind of looked like crap afterwards. We did have that initial reaction, but then we failed to break above the supply, and this thing's dumping down now. But overall, great analysis, great reads in the market. And this is going to kind of wrap up the video. This is going to wrap up the vlog. I know it was a little bit shorter one, but it's because I was on vacation. And I will get the longer vlogs buzzing for you as well. Obviously, the next one will be long. And we'll just go from there. I'm excited to get back to trading on Monday. And I appreciate all the love you guys are giving me. It is insane. It seriously is crazy, the love you guys are giving me. I think last week's video has, I want to say like 12,000 views right now, which is just crazy. The one before 8,000. You guys are just running them up and I appreciate it. And I'm sorry I didn't upload a video while I was on vacation. My laptop sucked and I didn't want to just put something out there. I'm really sticking to this video style and you guys are enjoying it. So yeah, I'm going to wrap up the vlog here. So if you did enjoy, please drop a like, comment, and subscribe if you're new. It helps the channel so much. It helps me out. You guys are beauties. And what do I say at the end of every single video? Let's be 1% better every single day. I appreciate you all, and I'll see you in the next one.